In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Google Ads headlines that convert, including a focus on Performance Max. First, open your browser and navigate to the home page of Google Ads. This is your starting point where all the advertising magic happens. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, which is usually displayed prominently at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for today's session, we assume you already have access. Now that you're signed in, you'll find yourself at the Google Ads home. This is where you can see an overview of your ad performance, access tools, and make adjustments to your campaigns. A lot happens here, but let's stay focused on creating that high converting headline. Navigate over to the Campaigns tab. This is where all active, paused, and draft campaigns are listed. It's essentially the control center for managing your advertising strategies. Once you are in the Campaigns section, move your cursor over to the Ads tab and click on it. This section houses all your individual ads within the campaigns. Here, you'll be able to view metrics and make edits to each ad, which is integral to improving performance and refining strategies. Now, to get started with writing a new headline, proceed to the Create Ad button. Clicking this will prompt you to select the type of ad you want to create. For this tutorial, we're focusing on creating a responsive search ad. This format allows you to input multiple headlines and descriptions, and Google automatically tests different combinations to see which perform best. It's essential for running an effective Performance Max campaign, so select responsive search ad from the list of ad types. Now comes the exciting part, crafting the headline. Navigate to the headline section of the ad creation interface. This is where the magic happens. Your headline should be compelling, concise, and clearly convey what benefit or solution you're offering. Keep in mind that the best headlines are those that grab attention quickly and resonate with your target audience. As you write, consider what makes your offer unique and why a potential customer should choose your service or product over competitors. It's a good practice to incorporate strong action words and include keywords that are relevant to your customers' searches. Also, remember to abide by Google's character limits. A headline too long might get cut off, losing its impact. Double check your work to ensure it's both clear and engaging. Once satisfied, you can save and launch your ad. Then Google's algorithms will take over, optimizing the performance based on responses. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to writing compelling Google Ads headlines that convert, especially when utilizing Performance Max campaigns. With these skills, you're better equipped to capture attention and convert clicks into customers. Thank you for watching, and happy advertising.